Leah, you coming? Oh, man. Whoa! Is that hard? Can you get up? Oh, geez. Good job. All right, you did it. Can you walk? Oh, good walking. It's pretty deep, huh?
Yes.
Pretty deep. You're doing a good job. Look at Leah walking.
What are you doing with
She's
this?
walking in the deep snow. You making it? You're almost to the road. It'll be easier. Good work.
What's this for?
Carter, say hi.
Hi.
Whoa, you making it? You're a tough girl, Leah Pearl. Careful. So here's our street. It's like a Norman Rockwell painting. All the kids sled up there. Here is our house, covered in snow. Even better, there's JP's car. What was JP's car? And our children playing sign. Rest of our street. There's Emily's house. Yep. Here, Dash. There's Dashy. He loves snow. Oh, Dashy's helping. And it's still snowing a lot. I don't know what JP's doing. Discs from my childhood that are dangerous to put my kids on. You having fun, Leah? What are you guys doing? Dashy, here! Good boy, here he comes! Oh, Leah, how are you? Oh, Carter, he face planted. Oh, man. Oh, Dashy's coming to see you. Are you okay, Carter? Oh, Leah's playing. Carter, make a snow angel. Can you make one?
No, I don't think so.
Try over there. There's a good white flat place. Try that. Dash here. Dashy here. Try it right there. Dash here. With me. Come on, Dashy. Dashy. Hey.
No.
Come here. Here. Oh, geez. Carter can't even make a snow angel. It's so icy. We quit. Oh, yeah. Break through. Let me get Dashy, okay? Stop.